my dear friends, welcome to Recipes. Today we are going to make a easy and simple Kaju Katli. For melting sugar, pour half cup of water and add 1 cup sugar. Add quarter teaspoon of cardamom powder. When the sugar is completely dissolved, grind 2 cups of cashew nuts and add them to the sugar syrup. Combine them on low flame. Stir them continuously so that it does not burn. Turn off the stove when it's thick and it comes out of the pan. Add 2 teaspoons of ghee and a cashew nut paste onto the butter paper. Now combine them well. Fold them and knead. Roll them gently. Place a butter paper on them and roll it again. Make sure you roll it thick. Cut off the sides. Now cut them into diamond shapes. Now our delicious and easy Kaju Katli is ready. Hope you all enjoyed. Please don't forget to share, subscribe and smash the thumbs up button.